Hello YouTube, it's Sarab back again, bringing you another unboxing. So I have been getting back-to-back deliveries coming all the way from India for my new Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. So I'm trying something different this time. I want to do the unboxing because a lot of people ask and they're worried that if you go on eBay, order something from India or any other country for that matter. So that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to just make a few videos on unboxing, showing you when it gets delivered, how it gets delivered, where it comes from, and when you open the box, how does it look. I had ordered this on 31st of July and today is 5th of August. So it has been received in just under 5 days. Very sophisticated tracking. The packing looks spectacular. There's nothing I can say that's been damaged during transit. It looks literally like you've just been to the store and bought it yourself. So what I'm going to do is, and when I said that this is one of the first items which I've received, is because I am expecting a lot more. But as and when those deliveries start to arrive, I'm going to be sharing it with you. I'm going to get into this and unbox it and show you what this is, how it's been packed, and what to expect if and when you order items from India for your Royal Enfield. Looking at the size of it, can you guess what this could be? Okay, not sure if you can see. Royal Enfield, the touring rider. So it is Royal Enfield accessories, and this is the genuine Royal Enfield touring or adventure seat. I've heard a lot about it. I'm going to be speaking about the pros and cons of having the stock seat because I rode the bike, as you're aware, 245 miles lately and wasn't particularly comfortable. But I've got high hopes for this one to see how it's going to stack up. Very nicely packed Royal Enfield genuine box. It tells the part number, it tells what it is, when it was manufactured, and all things Royal Enfield. So I'm just going to open it from here. So once you open, this is what you get greeted with. A box with a lot of bubble wrap, which is good. You open it, another bubble wrap, and here we are, the seat itself. Right, so this is it. Very plush. You can tell already the foam is firm. It is going to last well. But it looks absolutely wonderful. Great quality, no issues, no drama whatsoever. It's a genuine Royal Enfield. You get the adjusters to take it up from 825 to 845. So I'm 6'2", so I'm going to keep it to 845. It's got the part number here and the QR code for authenticity. So this is the second delivery of many deliveries I've just recently started to order. And this has got few items in it. No custom issues, all covered, even though the listing does say that you may have to pay for the custom duties. So let's open. As I said, very carefully packed. This is one thing I've experienced even with my GT and 350. Every time I've ordered from the dealers, I have had no issues whatsoever. Okay, so there we are. I'm just going to open it now. Right. What do we have? This is the genuine Royal Enfield headlight grille. Again, everything is Royal Enfield genuine. These are the handguards. Again, genuine handguards for Royal Enfield. What do we have? This is Again, the genuine Royal Enfield radiator guard goes there. And last but not least, very important, the Royal Enfield Touring windshield. Let me open it. I'm very curious to see this. Okay. Nice. It's got nice and proud Royal Enfield written there. I understand that it does not come with the grommets, so you have to use the old ones, so the ones you take out. It's got the part number there. It's got Royal Enfield written there. Premier quality. And yeah, all nice and perfect. Okay, so any questions around these items which I'd ordered or the dealer I used, please drop me a line and I'll be very happy to respond. Meanwhile, I'm gonna pack this up and find some time to start installing these items on my bike. And of course, once the bike is ready, as and when I start doing these modifications, I'm going to be sharing the updates with you all. But meanwhile, if you want to hear or know anything about my bikes, which as you know by now, I've got 3. So Classic 350, which is a Signals 350, Continental 650, and now the Himalayan 450. Any questions? Let me know. But thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Until then, ride safe and stay tuned. Bye-bye.